DiddlyPay review demo and free $1,075 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my DiddlyPay review, a brand new product released by Bryan Winters and Tom E. Now, if you know anything about Bryan's products, they are completely done for you. So they are made with newbie marketers in mind, so that you can just pick it up and start making money immediately because everything is done for you, okay? And this is actually a super clever way of promoting products because you're not wasting any traffic, okay? So I'm going to show you everything in a second, but essentially how it works is that you promote done for you products and people can either pay or obviously with money, and then you make the commission. And if they don't have the money, they can still get it for free, but they have to refer free people to your funnel, which means that you're going to be getting traffic for free, and this can grow because then these free people can refer free people each as well. So that's 9, then it's 27, and you're just getting a bunch of free traffic or commissions, so you can't lose with this, okay? So guys, let me share my screen right now and let's jump into this DiddlyPay review. And as you can see, the sales page will say DiddlyPay, he gets 148 leads and $330 in 24 hours from our self-promoting income machine. So again, you're making money and you're getting leads and free traffic at the same time. Our viral income button does 90% of the work. So obviously, the $330 right here from the headline, this is from a case study, okay? So you're gonna get a case study included. So massive income proof, $730 right here, and this is actually patent pending technology, okay? So Bryan patented this, so this means no one else will be able to recreate this product. If you want to buy it, you will have to buy it from Bryan. And again, he patented the thing of getting the product by referring other people and not paying money, okay? So just amazing proof for you that this is an amazing product. Some more proof right here. DiddlyPay, that's the name of this new product. As you can see, you're going to be getting tons of leads, tons of commissions. And actually they have a little income proof video right here on the sales page. I'm going to add the same income proof demo to my blog and to my YouTube channel. More proof, more bonuses. Obviously gonna get my bonuses on top of whatever Bryan and Tom are giving away. 100% money back guarantee, and that's essentially it. Again, Bryan Winters, Tommy, the two marketers behind this product. And let me show you the inside. Essentially how this works is super simple. You're essentially sending traffic to one link, and as you can see, you have 5 done for you products that are done for you. So you're promoting these 5 products, okay? So done for you products, number 1 is commission abduction, then you're getting dual squeeze, blueprint X, viral lightning, and passive monthly. So all these 5 products are W's of the day, or the products or product of the day. And as you can see, you get a bonus right here. So obviously you're gonna get all the video training on how to use the software, how to make money with it, how to promote these products. And the cool thing is that you can actually add your own product, so you can use DiddlyPay as a payment option to any product. So again, people can either pay you in money as always, or if they don't have the money for some reason, they can just refer free other people, okay? So let me show you exactly how this works. So again, let's say you have a product you want to sell, and this is your product, okay? So you're gonna be sending traffic directly here, and then people can decide if let me create another arrow right here. So they can either pay in money, so this will be money, or they can use the DiddlyPay method. Let me do a DP here. They can do DiddlyPay, and if they will select the DiddlyPay method, you're gonna be getting free additional visitors to your page, to whatever you are promoting, okay? So again, you're making the commission upfront, or you're getting free additional people from these people. Obviously the same exact idea follows, so you're getting either the sale right here or free additional leads. So this makes it 9, then it makes it 27, and then it makes it whatever 79 or something. So you can't lose because you're getting the commission right here or you're getting more traffic. So this is how it works in a nutshell. And again, as you can see, the training is included and you can choose one of these products. So let me just click on the commission abduction product right here. So as you can see, you can upload a new product logo if you want to, or you can use this as is. You can edit the name. You have the online marketing business as the category, you have the price, and here you actually select how many times people have to share it if they choose the DiddlyPay method. Okay, so this is set to 5. Obviously you can change it, so you can do 3, 5, 7, 10, whatever you want. And as you can see, you also get banner ads done for you. So this is how you generate traffic to it. So you have banner ads 1, 2, and 3. You even get email swipes if you want to promote it by email. And as you can see, you're going to be able to generate DiddlyPay buttons right here, and all the product stats are right here. So button clicks, DiddlyPay checkouts, leads generated, pending orders, completed orders, expired orders, paid off orders as well. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Essentially, you know, you're just picking one of these products and you start promoting it. And another cool thing is that you can add your own products. So let's click right here. So as you can see, the same exact thing that was already set up for you with the commission abduction, you can add your own products, and you know, instead of sending traffic to your own offer, you can give people an option of paying for it or referring other people to get it for free. So a brilliant product. And again, if you didn't really understand it, right here on my blog I have a full breakdown of how this works. So you know, I have a full written review as well. So before we're going to jump into this, let me show you again. Right now, let's talk about the pricing. So everything I just showed you is included in the main product, DiddlyPay Pro. That will be $20 early bird special. Okay, so you're getting the whole system, all the video training, the 5 done for you funnels. You can add your own products and the whole system. Okay, so that's $20. Then we have DiddlyPay OTO number 1, which will be done for you money accelerator for $97. And here you're gonna receive a $3,000 value package of 5 additional done for you viral online businesses in a box, including built-in 100% commissions on the products. Okay, so that's 5 additional products. DiddlyPay OTO number 2, we have $97, and this is autopilot commission booster, which means that you will be credited with autopilot commissions if you are a vendor every single time your customer decides to become a DiddlyPay vendor themselves. Okay, so you're getting commissions on other people's products. Okay, so that's $97. The commission booster OTO number 3, you have DiddlyPay second income stream, and this powerful upgrade gives you fully upgraded access to Shop Monopoly, the best-selling 6-figure e-com store builder from Bryan. So DiddlyPay actually integrates with Shop Monopoly. So if you want to do this in the e-commerce niche, that's what you can do as well. And this will be OTO number 3, $97. OTO number 4, we got DiddlyPay Autopilot Traffic Rotator. So essentially, Bryan created a huge traffic rotator, and all the people that will pick up this OTO number 4 for $197 will be added to it, and they will be getting hundreds, if not thousands, of clicks every single month. Okay, so that's OTO number 4. OTO number 5, and the last one, we have DiddlyPay 500 a pop machine. That's $197. So this will actually include additional commissions of $500 to $1,000 a pop, and this will be done by an automated backend webinar you can auto embed with DiddlyPay referrals. Okay, so obviously you're getting commissions on all the 5 products, but if you want high ticket commissions, this will cost you $197, and you can essentially double your money with just one sale. Okay, so these are all of the OTOs. Obviously all of the OTOs are optional, and you'll be fine with DiddlyPay alone, but this is something additional you can think of. Now let me show you all of my bonuses, and as always I have a full written review right here on my blog, and this will include this little explanation of how DiddlyPay works. Now let me show you all of the bonuses, and if you want to get all of these, done for you bonuses, all you have to do is just pick up DiddlyPay through my link, and to do so you have to click on one of these blue links right here on my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, click on the first link in the description to take it will take you directly to the sales page, and the second link in the description will take you to my blog. And again, the first link in the description will start working only after 11 a.m. Eastern on March 26th when DiddlyPay goes live. So first of all, obviously, the more traffic you can get, the more money you'll make with your DiddlyPay funnels, and I'm going to give you free custom-made bonuses, and these are 3 different traffic sources that are perfect for DiddlyPay. Okay, so free custom-made bonuses I made especially for DiddlyPay. Then you are also getting a piece of software called Flipping Magic Pro. So that's a piece of software. I'm also going to give you Flip Me Income Booster and the Flip Me Reseller's License. That's my top selling product of all times. I'm also going to give you Arbitrage Sugar Daddy, make $4.97 over and over again, Affiliate Rebirth, Tidal Wave Traffic, Urgent Arbitrage Cash, Easy Arbitrage Profits, Blaze, Tube Traffic Avalanche, Case Study, and additional softwares and plugins, Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant plugin based sales page writing software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueTags, IS, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Shortcode Call to Action, and 18 additional DiddlyPay bonuses that will be included on the members area. Okay, but I'm not done, because you're also getting my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. My mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and this means you're getting a total of $3,075 worth of bonuses. Now, these are not PLR, these are actual products, softwares, and plugins. So this is a real world value and not some invented number. Okay, so guys, just to sum up this DiddlyPay review, first of all, the setup takes 3 minutes. Okay, so you just have to decide on the product, get your link, and start promoting it. Runs 99% on autopilot. Obviously, you just have to send traffic to it, and then this traffic will snowball. 100% beginner friendly. Website and hosting are included. Okay, so you don't need to pay for hosting, you don't need to have a website, it is all hosted for you. Same day income potential. Again, you know, even if you're just gonna send 5 people to this funnel, it will just keep on snowballing, because some people will pay for it, some people will refer 3 or 5 or 7 additional people. So you can scale up first, and 100% free viral traffic built in. Now, what I don't like about DiddlyPay, there's not much not to like, but you know, you're not building your brand if you're not if you're using the done for you products. Okay, so obviously you can use your own products, and that's perfect, but you will need a little bit of marketing skills to do so. If you're using the done for you products only, you are not creating the skills you might need down the road. But again, with that being said, you have the option of adding your own products into the DiddlyPay funnel, so that's sorted. Okay, so again, that's not really a negative, but this is something just worth mentioning. Okay, so guys, again, check out my full written review right here on my blog. Make sure to pick it up through my link when it goes live at 11 a.m. Eastern on March 26th, and get all of my bonuses for free. Again, well over $3,000 worth of bonuses. And before you go, let me show you how to claim my bonus. All you have to do is go to your purchase history on Warrior Plus. So click on the top right corner right here on your icon, click on the purchase history. You should see DiddlyPay among your purchases, and after clicking on it, you should see a second button that says bonuses from art. That's underneath the access button to DiddlyPay, and that's how you're gonna get my bonuses. You don't have to send me emails or receipts. This is all done for you automatically. And again, I really like this product. First of all, you're gonna get the case study showing you how Bryan made $330 and generated a list of 148 leads. And this is something you can easily replicate, because again, this is 99% done for you, and the traffic you're gonna be generating is viral. So pretty amazing. Again, I have a full written review, so check it all out. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment on the YouTube video. Please like this video, and please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. I'll be seeing you very shortly in the next review video. Ciao!